Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Karen and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Karen. I'm having a 60th birthday dinner soon. I'm going with a peacock theme and I saw these napkin rings but they are too expensive. If you can help me make something like this or give me an idea, that would be great. Please and thank you." Well, Karen, not only am I going to show you how to make a peacock themed napkin ring, I'm going to show you that you can do it for less than $2.50 each. Yes, $2.50 each. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get going with this week's project, our peacock napkin ring. All right, guys, let's get to it. You're not going to believe how easy it is to get this peacock look. First, we're going to take our natural wood napkin rings and we are going to paint them and glitter them at the same time. The reason why you can't paint them all and then go back and glitter is because the wood soaks up the paint so fast. So you just take it a section at a time, paint and glitter away. After the rings have had about 30 minutes to dry, go ahead and spray a coat of clear acrylic onto them and that will set the glitter so you won't have a lot of glitter on your napkins or on your guests' hands and things. So then we're going to go ahead and cut a little snippet out of ribbon. Any ribbon will do. I just used this black ribbon that I had around my craft room and I cut off about half of the stem on my peacock feathers and I'm simply attaching them to my little dot of fabric right with some high heat hot glue. Once I've done that, I can add a couple of gemstones right on this. So what we're doing is recreating our own peacock embellishment. Be sure to cut off any excess little stems hanging over. You don't want that to show on your finished product. And we're going to then attach it to our napkin ring using some more high heat hot glue. Hold it there for at least 30 seconds to let it set up, and we're ready to move on to our next step, which is embellishing it with our crystal gemstones. It's very simple. You are just going to create your own pattern with your own colors, whatever you like, and we're going to start at the top and go down, start at the bottom and go back up to the top, creating kind of a wave of gems. Guys, I want you to have fun with this project. There is no rhyme or reason to which crystals you use. Whatever colors you feel, whatever color paint, whatever color glitter you feel will be absolutely perfect for this project. Well, Karen, how did we do? It's absolutely stunning. I showed it to one of my daughters and they were like, "Oh my gosh, we have to do this. We have to have a peacock party." So apparently I'll be having a peacock girls night pretty soon. Well, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, by all means, subscribe and like this video. If there are any questions we can answer for you, please put them right in the comment section. I answer the questions myself. And if you would like to hang out a little bit more with us, head on over to our social media. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, I don't know what you are waiting for. They pay you to shop. Super simple. Go to the description, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It is just that simple. So our time has come to an end. It always happens so fast. I want to remind you that all of the links to all of our supplies for all of our projects are always in the description right below this video. Just click on that little button that says show more and you will have all the links with all of the slides you need to do this project as well as when we do our other projects. So don't forget, it's there for your use. Well guys, I want to thank you for taking this time to spend with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube and we do not take you hanging out with us lightly. be sure to head over to our website, MsPlanner.com. You can click right there in the corner. It'll take you right there for more cost-saving tips and more picture and instructions for our projects. We are so excited. We will be launching a new website so soon with so many different options on it. We're just super excited about it. So please tune in for more information. Well, guys, until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.